Hi everyone, here Kavitha, final year BCA. In this session, we will able to understand need for cloud computing. First, we have to talk meaning of computing. In a computing, also many different standard practice are being followed based on invention and technological advancement. In simple word, a computing is any goal-oriented activity requiring benefits or creating computing machinery. It includes the study of algorithmic process and development of both hardware and software is called as computing. Then next, what is cloud? In simple term, cloud computing means storing and accessing data program over the internet instead of your computer hard drive. Ultimately, the cloud is just metaphor for the internet. That means data stored the cloud, it run or access the program using an internet. It's called as cloud. Then next move on the definition of cloud computing. Cloud computing is the delivery of different services through the internet. These resources are in cloud tools and applications like data, storage, service, database, networking and software is called as cloud computing. A cloud computing is on-demand availability of computer system resources, especially data storage and computing power without direct active the management by the user. Cloud computing is very economical and save a lot of money. Let us start need for cloud computing. A cloud computing typically contains a significant pool of resources which cloud be relocated to different purpose within the short time frame and allow the cloud owner to benefit significantly from economics of scale as well as the form of statistical multiplexing. That means cloud computing is delivery of computing. It includes the services, storage, database, networking, software, analytics and intelligence over the internet to offer faster innovation and flexible resources and economics of scale. The next move on the steps, move on the points of main basic need for cloud computing. The first, the main reason for need and cloud computing are conveying. That means information is shared one internet to another internet. In the past, if you want to bring a file, we would have to save it universal bus, flash drive, external hard drive or compact place and bring that device to a different place. But now, in the present, once we have stored the cloud and information, we have to use any places in that information. While using the cloud, losing our data or file is less likely. Instead, saving a file to the cloud ensures that we'll able to access with any computer that has internet connection. For example, use the cloud application in Dropbox. The cloud also makes it much easier to share the file with friends, making it possible to collaborate over the web. That means easy to share the information and making it possible to cooperate over the web. When we store the data on run a program from the local computer hard drive, that is called as storage, local storage or computing. The end result of same, however, with online connection, cloud computing can be done anywhere, anytime and any devices or any places. The user who are needed to computer are expected invest money on computing resources such as hard drive, hardware, hardware, software, networking and storage. And this is a particular true and hug expenditure to the enterprises that requires enormous computing power and resources. The next point is, on other hand, it is easy to hardly get a required computing power and resources from some providing or supplier has it is needed to pay only for that usage. This would cost only reasonable investment or spending compared to the hug investment. The last point is, cloud computing is mechanism bringing, hearing or getting the services of computing power or infrastructure to an organization or individual level to the extent required and paying only for the consumer services. Conclusion: the user who are in need of computing are expected to invest money on computing resources such as hardware, software, networking, and storage. This investment naturally cost or black currency to the user as they have to buy these computing resources, keep this in their promise, and maintain the make it operational. All these things would add the cost. Thank you.